Now we're in business because this looks like a whole row of vintage Mack trucks. And if you know me, I love trucks, but Mack trucks especially. And I love vintage trucks, so it's like perfect.
Let's see what we got.
All right.
Tell me the ones that you think are interesting.
This is huge.
It's massive.
Trucks were this big.
Look how big this one is. What year is this next one from? Thermodyne diesel.
1964.
64. That's 1 year older than TT. Man.
1960.
Mac B.
1961.
Look at the bulldog. It's not just a bulldog, it's the radiator cap. You would unscrew that to put coolant in there.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's smart. That's very, very smart. Very smart. 1960.